Match in hand. This is the fourth match for today dito po sa ating losers bracket. We are streaming here right now and the match is between X44 Michael Feliciano against the sharpshooter Kyle Amoroto. Dito lamang sa Efren Bata Reyes. Mangyan live at Pacman's Q Club along Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. Rack number 2, first rack, won by Mr. Kyle Amoroto. Siya po ang nanalo doon via that miss by Michael Feliciano sa kanyang tira doon sa 10 ball. He kind of overshot position. Break by Kyle Amoroto. Slightly controlled break. Parang hindi naman niya hinataw totally. Of course, from where the 2 was or is, medyo may kahirapan talaga pahandaan niya, no? Given where that 1 ball came from and the cue ball, talagang yun yung naging challenge for Mr. Amoroto dito. Now, if he can maybe drop this in and land position for this red 3, life in this rack for Mr. Amoroto will become easier. Ito na, no? Medyo dumadali-dali na para sa kanya. Dumadali-dali na, no? Pero I didn't say very easy. I just said it was relatively easy. But ayan na nga, no? So, problems for Mr. Amoroto. Nasablay niya yung tres na yon, kakapigil, I believe. And so, X44 Michael Feliciano another one of the veteran professional pool players here dito sa Pilipinas. A very colorful personality Mr. Michael Feliciano is. Isa to sa mga paboritong players ko, no? Never fails to amuse and entertain people around him. Apakatapang din ng panumbok nito, no? That is rack number 2 for us here. The score is tied, 1 apiece for both players, Feliciano and Amoroto. So heading on to rack number 3, winners break format. Call shots are in effect. The 10 ball is gonna be made last. So kahit na makombinahan yung 10 ball na yan na maaga, binabalik lamang po yan. Bata Reyes. Kitang-kita yan dyan sa ating camera angle, EBR Yalin. Okay, so again, napakagandang mesa. And let us see Mr. Feliciano's break. Okay, not quite what he wanted there, Mr. Feliciano. A high probability of 80% chance of losing this rack against Kyle Amoroto. Of course, 20% na pag-asa ni Mr. Feliciano ay manggagaling sa problem balls kung meron man, no? So 20%, that could be the 7 and the 8, really close to each other, but not so tight enough, no? Kayang gawa ng paraan ni Mr. Kyle Amoroto to. So let's just watch out how he plays that moments later. Okay, welcome back once again. Magandang hapon po. Almost 4 p.m. Dito sa Efren Batariz Yalin Tenbo Open Championship. That is Kyle Amoroto who won the the third rack. And after Michael Feliciano winning in the second one after his break, mabilisang inubos din naman ni Kyle Amoroto yung natitirang mga bola. And so, we are at this point, nasimula pa lang naman, no? Playing single knockout format, bukas po yun, and everybody who qualifies for tomorrow gets a minimum of 10,000 pesos as a prize. Syempre, the eventual winner, for your information, dito po sa EBR Yalin 10 Ball Open Championship will be receiving a large prize pot of 1 million pesos. That was Michael Feliciano, X44. Skill-wise and talent-wise, no question, magaling din talaga ang player na si Michael Feliciano. So as early as mga 2010s that year, Michael Feliciano has been somebody na talagang malakas na rin talaga. Wow. What kind of shot that was? Grabe. Impressive shot coming from Mr. Amoroto there. And really, really nice control there of the white para makakuha ng isang magandang safety. Michael, no other choice but to kick. All he could do at that moment was just hope that that cue ball and three ball get a lot of separation. Left an opening here. It's not the easiest of shots, but definitely sa kalibre po ni Mr. Kyle Amoroto, this can be easily made. Perfect control. Ayan. So, judging on how the balls are laid out, parang ang magiging konting problema na lang dyan, which I believe Kyle Amoroto has already figured out how he will deal with it. It's gonna be that 6-7. A few moments later, kapag titirahin na niya yung sais, no? Just wants to find out how to play that shot. They're sliding that cue ball just a bit forward. He has an angle. And there's a probability he bumps the 9 ball. Tatamaan po niya yung 9, no? But not a problem because that's gonna be the next ball coming up. Tulak na lang siguro. Just like that. Very, very nice judgment there coming from Amoroto. Okay, so Kyle Amoroto winning the last rack. Talagang pinakitaan tayo ng talento at galing, no? Nitong ni Mr. Kyle Amoroto. But in this rack, this is rack number 5, he broke and he scratched. Ito na nga sinasabi ko, no? Depending on how the balls are laid down dito sa mesang to, the chance of him losing this rack is up to 80%. Yung 20% na yan na natitira, maaaring depende sa kalat na lang ng bola, no? Of course, acknowledgements to referee Jesus Dacoro. Ayan, nicely removing the racking device that we are using here. Ayan, no? So maaaring mga nagtatanong, opo, magpapakilala na po ang sinasamahan po kayo ngayon, no? Aris Almario doing the commentaries here sa FN Bata Reyes Yalin 10 Ball Open Championship. Minsan-minsanan, pasensya na po sa mga tito jokes, just trying to keep you entertained and not bored. Siyempre sa quality ng match natin talaga naman, Hindi naman talaga nakakainip to. Well, he's slightly out of line, Mr. Feliciano. Hindi niya nakuha yung tamang pahanda, no, para sa 4-ball niya. Wow, and ayun na nga, no. So he bumped the 10, I believe, and that would be the 6 as well on the way down table. He's not out. It's gonna be a thin cut here on the 6. Going up and down. He also would have to manage the speed here. Doesn't want to get behind that 8. Siyempre, he shot it with a bit of conviction and pace. Guarantees him making the 6 easier. Pero naging problema niya doon, no? Yung pagpigil ng kanyang pamato. Abay, teka. That deserves a round of applause. Nice kick shot there from Mr. Michael Feliciano. Talagang malalaman yung idol nating lahat, si Efren Bata Reyes. Best in the business when it comes to kicking shots. (3-2) the score. Michael Feliciano's time has come up right now. Hahabol po siya, no? And again, we would like to acknowledge yung ating sponsor, and friend Bata, billiard or pool athletes dito po sa Pilipinas para sa mga upcoming, mga bata, mga existing, and mga retired athletes. Ayan. So maraming salamat kila Cap Marlon Manalo for coming up with a really nice advocacy, no? Talagang tumutulong po tayo sa community ng bilyar sa Pilipinas. Well, that was a pretty hard break there for Mr. Feliciano, Michael. Talagang sinargo niya, no? Pinotok niya. That was always going to be the concern there for Mr. Feliciano. Natamaan niya yung 9. Obviously, he wanted to get behind this 8, did he? I think he did. But he has left some kind of Masay bank shot. Pwedeng ang responde dito ni Mr. Amoroto is to send this 2-ball. Well, instead, Mr. Amoroto decides to go for that jump, but just couldn't get contact there. Mr. Amoroto will be surrendering ball in hand for Michael Feliciano. Based on the layout, malaking pagkakataon for Michael na makatabla na dito, no? Not so much of problem balls present. Bukas na po ang layout. Just needs to land on the right side of things here para hindi siya ma-dispabor sa kanyang pagpapahanda. Probably stuns this cue ball, slides it towards the center. Just like that. And obvious naman na, no? Ang pamamaraan ni Mr. Michael Feliciano is definitely on point. Wait a minute. X for 4. So he landed semi-straight doon sa 8. And whereas he had to force the cue ball using spin. And with that regard, parang nasobra niya sa adjustment, no? Napakapal yung tira. So once in a while, our players may slip up. Given, syempre, wala naman nakakapaglaro lagi dito sa TV table or stream table. Iba rin ang klima dito sa mesa na to, no? Ng The Magician. They are available dito po sa Pacman's Q Club, and of course, you may visit the Facebook page of Efren Batareyes as shown dito sa ating screens every now and then. So, silip-silip lang tayo dyan, no? And you may always PM Efren Batareyes page. And you'll be getting a response, of course, if you do have some inquiries. So, Kyle Amoroto, ang lakas ng sargo niya, and check this out. All of a sudden, parang the odds of him winning this rack based sa pagkakalatag ng bola, parang ang laki na, no? Okay na okay pa rin. So, maybe he accounted for running into that 4 ball. Pero no problem. So, it's all just a matter of choice and preference for Mr. Kyle Amoroto, how he plans to run out. Bottom line, no? With his capacity, his skill, making these balls, getting shape, recovering for shape. Katulad ngayon, no? Medyo magpapatakbo siya. Kayang-kaya, and kitang-kita naman, no? He can always come up with recovery shots. Napakagaling na player. Ayan, he slightly lost shape here, but then again, probably 2 rails across, going across the center, pagpabalik na. Ayan, so tumuturo ngayon siya, no? He wants to make the 6 and maybe put a bit of spin and go across the center of the table for a cut on the 7. Ayan. Nice position. Ayan. Medyo na perfect niya yon. As in, nalapit niya talaga. Na halos wala na siyang ibang kailangan gawin para makuha itong rack na to. Very good, Mr. Kyle Amoroto. Ooh. Well, kumaway-kaway pa ang 9 bago mahulog. But then again, he's got this. 16 of which dito sa ating Losers Bracket Handball Open Championship. Powerful break from Mr. Amoroto. Dalawang nahulog in the same corner pocket, and he has a shot here on the 1. But from where the 2 is, ayan na nga, it's down table, tabi ng 8 dyan, no? Medyo pupukpukin to ni Mr. Kyle Amoroto. He's gonna have to put a stroke here. Don't tell me he did that. Oh. Wow. Had he bumped the 7, baka na-perfect pa niya yung pahanda para dyan sa dos, no? But impressive shot-making abilities and nice judgment of the speed coming from the 2. Of course, he's gonna be leaving a kick shot here from Feliciano, and a couple of racks earlier, may kinik shot tong si Feliciano, no, na pumasok. A cliffhanger. And medyo may buenas, no, yung tinira ni Mr. Feliciano dyan. He raises his hand in apology, but ayun na nga, no. Oops. Option. Well, the obvious problem for Mr. Feliciano here, kitang-kita naman, it's gonna be the 7 and the 10. They are found at the bottom of your screen sa mesa. How he plays the shot there. Ay, what a shot. Pumalakpak naman sana ang mga audience natin, no? Napakagaling naman ng pagkakatira na yun. Grabe, no? Mapapasana all ka na lang if you were the shooter. Lalo na ako, no, pag ini-imagine ko. Paano po yun, sir? Good afternoon once again. Andito tayo, Efren Bata Reyes Yalin 10-ball Open Championship. Prize pool of 2 million. Para sa magiging kampiyon, that's gonna be a 1 million prize money. So the hopes of both players here, Michael Feliciano and Kyle Amoroto, are still alive. Now, do note that this is the losers bracket. So the next loss will be the end of it. And the winner will be advancing furthermore dun sa bracket natin sa losers. Pero meron at meron pa ring makakalaban. Sa ating Efren Bata Reyes Facebook page. Pretty break there from Mr. Amoroto. Ilan ang pumasok? I think that was 2 balls off his break. And look at the spread of the balls. Look at his position on the 1 ball. Kung saan lumapag yan. Well, if there's anything that could possibly stop him from winning this rack, given the layout, it could just be himself. So sa madaling salita, it's all in his hands right now. Hawak niya ang success sa pagkuha ng rack na to. Well, just like that, Amoroto comes up with another. Lalamig siya ng bagya dyan. Nasunod na rack. Amoroto right now with 7 points already. So dito sa ating race to 9, dalawa na lamang for Amoroto at siya na po ang mag-a-advance further sa ating event. Look at that break. Wow, look at that break. Sayang, no? He made the 1 ball. If he had stopped that 1 ball dun lang sa may bandang butas, aba, I wouldn't be surprised kung magiging break and run out ulit to. So right now, he's just gotta figure out a safety here against Feliciano. Mabilisan lang, no, para kay Mr. Amoroto sa isang iglap. Ubos ang mga bola. At sa isang iglap, ayan na nga, no, Mr. Amoroto has already reached the hill. Well, it seems like Mr. Amoroto in this case would have to play the combination 5 to the 10. And given that, the 10 ball would have to be respotted. Wala po tayong early finish on a combination on the 10 ball. Kakailanganin dyan last ball 10 ball talaga, no? So anyway, official responds the 10 ball at ito, Mr. Amoroto is gonna play 3 rails for shape on the 6. Teka lang, perfect. Nice angle as well. Perfect na perfect for the sharpshooter. Ayan, and the handshake has been offered.